Well, good evening to you. The snow melted away to a beautiful spring afternoon for this Easter Sunday. Now we're looking at a mostly clear night and chilly weather, but we are tracking a warming trend as we head into the next few days. A breezy, warm start to the week. Not necessarily a warm start as far as tomorrow morning, but it will get warmer. And then a slight storm chance by the middle of the week, and that's mainly for the eastern half of the year. I'll show you that in just a minute. West Topeka weather cam this evening. Clear sky, calm conditions, kind of a quiet evening out there. 40 degrees and calm. Picked up 0.26 of an inch of melted down snowfall. 56 the high after a morning low of 33. This is a very heavy, wet snow. The official observation was 1.4 inches of snow, so that's a very dense snow to have that much water and just an inch and a half of snow. Some parts of the city got 2.5 to 3, and that was more toward the south, and scattered areas to the south picked up that much as well. 39 at Marysville, 35 in Holton, 40 for Emporia, as well as in Topeka. Right now the winds are nearly calm. We've got very light winds in a few spots, but the general trend will be a return to southerly winds. You know, if you're watching last night, we talked about how we pick up that 1 to 3 inch snowfall. Pretty much came through right where we were expecting, kind of paralleled from about near, I'd say, Morris County all the way up to just north of Topeka. You'll see this kind of move in right there. Never made it to Manhattan and Junction City. Pushed out through the Kansas City area. Now we've cleared. Attention now turns to the west and to the northwest. We're tracking our next system moving into the Pacific Northwest and the Northern Rockies. Ahead of it, we get the return to south winds and warmer weather. We see that every time. We will warm up, and that'll be the next couple of days. We'll look a little bit farther out. This is KSNT Future Track. Tomorrow morning, clear sky, cool in the morning. Sunny, a nice day tomorrow. South winds will pick back up to 10 to 20 miles per hour. It'll be breezy, should make it into the middle 60s. Cloud cover comes in on Tuesday. Trying to pick up on the trend of a few rain showers. I'll say this, that is not the trend of all the computer models. So we've got a chance of maybe a passing shower on Tuesday. But again, at this point, it's not a guarantee on Tuesday. What looks to be more likely, though, is on Wednesday. We're still south winds, still warm. Here comes a front into the area, and that may trigger a few showers and thunderstorms. Doesn't look to get too organized for strong to severe storms, just some showers and thunderstorms before clearing out of that as well. 30 degrees and clear tonight. Your KSNT Storm Track 7-day forecast. 66 and breezy Monday, 72 and breezy Tuesday, 20% rain chance. A few scattered showers and storms mainly east on Wednesday before cooling down again into the 50s and 60s by the end of the work weekend into next weekend. From GVOS, some of the snow this morning. Also a view in Baldwin City from DK Serbaugh. You can see from Judy Henderson Bailey the tulip time at Lake Shawnee, a little hindered this morning by some snow. From Valerie Heiston, you can see some of the snow-covered scenery this morning. Looks like it's a December photo, except for those daffodils. From Tecumseh and Elaine Tolan. From Cloyce and Shirley Hamilton, snow in the hyacinths there in Topeka, as well as on the redbud trees from Lucy Fink east of Emporia. But it all ends with a beautiful clear sky at Washington from David Hodgson. You know, we had that almost two seasons all in one. I said, you know, for a lot of people, this is the year that you got a chance to get Easter photos with wintry weather in the background. You don't get a lot of, you know, especially not around here. We don't get that many times where we get an opportunity with Easter pictures and snow on the ground. And still have a nice spring afternoon. It's like we got everything we could get in one day.
But you know, I'm not going to lie. I woke up this morning and looked out my window and went right like that and went right back to bed. I'm not going to lie.
I told you last night we'd have it.
I did.